What's up, guys? It's Erwin, and I'm back with another Minoxidil update. This is week 34, so just over 7 calendar months, almost 34 weeks is about 7 3/4 of a month. So almost 8 months actually. So yeah, I'm here in a parking lot of Walmart. I've been a bit busy with my research and stuff lately, so I haven't been able to shoot a lot. I had some videos planned, but hopefully I'll be getting them out in the near future. Speaking of research, if you have been following me for a while, you may know that I want to do an MD PhD. So I got into an MD PhD program, and so yeah, I'll be in school for a long time, so pray for your boy. But anyways, enough about me, more about my beard. The past 2 weeks, I've been really sticking to my schedule. In the past, I would have been like missing some applications and whatnot, but these past 2 weeks, I probably only missed one application. Everything else was like on point and to schedule, so I was really trying to make an effort to improve on that. So yeah, I don't notice. What I do notice, thankfully, is that in terms of shedding, the hairs are starting to grow back right here at those two spots that I was complaining about. The one underneath is still a little bit the one right here is still a little sketchy. I'll post a picture so you guys can see it. But yeah, it's starting to fill in. It's really starting to fill in. Let me see if you guys can see. Right here, it is my left side. I noticed some new areas of shedding. This is center, under, and to the right side is always weaker. I noticed some like new shedding like right here and right there on the other side. It's like almost symmetrical. It's all a part of the process. I am glad to see that it's coming back in. I probably won't get it lined for a long time. Still trying to raise those cheek lines, derma rolling the crap out of them. I've been breaking out a lot recently. Somebody needs to share their skincare routine with me, because I think it's a combination of not drinking enough water and being stressed out and stuff. But yeah, that's it for my update. If you're new to my channel, thank you for subscribing. Welcome. And returning subscribers, I appreciate y'all's continued support. Be sure to check out the other videos in my journey if you want to see where I started from and where I am now. I'll be doing some product reviews coming up and a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I'm actually about to go into Walmart to pick up some stuff. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends if you thought it was helpful. So until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.